on MSME Form 1 compliance under Companies Act 2013. There is a version change V2 to V3. We will discuss on legal provisions, penalties, timelines. So why form MSME? MSME Form 1 matters corporate responsibility and legal compliance. There is a shift from version 2 V2 to V3. And this key update confusing many professionals. So by end of this video, all the doubts about filing requirements, timelines, and penalties will be completely resolved. So in detail, we'll discuss. Purpose of Form MSME Form 1 is half-yearly return required under Section 405 of Companies Act 2013. The object is to monitor the delays in payment to micro and small enterprises, not medium, micro and small enterprises, ensuring accountability. And Section 15 and 16 talks about of MSMED Act 2006 mandates payment within 45 days. And if delayed, then the interest liability 3 times of RBI bank rate for delays. Not applicable to medium enterprises. So MSME Form 1 is not applicable to medium enterprises. So the legal framework, Companies Act 2013 and MSMED Act 2006. Under Companies Act 2013, Section 405 that empowers the central government to collect the statistical data from the companies. So MSME Form 1 notified via companies furnishing of information about payment to micro and small enterprises suppliers order 2019. So dated 22nd January 2019. So onwards, MSME Form 1 is applicable. And MSMED Act 2006, we already discussed. Section 15 mandates payment within 45 days. Section 16 talks about the interest on delayed payment. That is compounding interest with monthly rest at the rate of 3 times of RBI rate. So now the question, who should file MSME Form 1? Goods and services received from micro and small enterprises. Then it is a mandatory to file MSME Form 1. Payment is pending within 45 days, then you need to file. And payment is already done within 45 days, even still you need to file. Payment is pending even after 45 days, we need to file. Payment is done after 45 days, even if paid before the end of half year, still you need to file. So total 4 occasions we need to file this MSME Form 1. So when it is not required. So when company is not dealing with MSMEs, they're not required. If the dealing with the only medium enterprises, it means not dealing with the micro and small. Dealing with medium enterprises, not required. Even if your company is registered with an MSME, even if you are a buyer MSME, but still required to file. What is the change version 2 to version 3? So the difference is, earlier we used to file only if the outstanding is above 45 days and as a reporting date. Now in version 3, it is asking in 4 occasions we need to file. So 4 types of transactions. Transaction number 1, payment within 45 days, still you need to file MSME 1. Payment after 45 days, yes, we need to file. Dues within 45 days, due above 45 days, outstanding. Outstanding below 45 days, need to file. Outstanding above 45 days also we need to file. So overall, whatever the transactions with micro and small enterprises during the last 6 months period, and even outstanding as on the ending of 31st March, then we need to file by end of the 30th April. This is what the final crux. So MCA added more reporting fields without amending any legal provisions compared to V2 version, now V3. So there is a change. It added more reporting fields. The timeline half yearly, so April to September, 31st October, October to March, 30th April. So half yearly basis. No filing fee, 0 filing. Once form updates, no challan will be, no payment will ask for. And even late filing attracts no additional fee, but there is a penalty for non-compliance. Penalty is a huge 10,000 plus 1,000 per day for continuing offense. So up to 2 lakh as per section 450 of Companies Act 2013. Officer in default 50,000 penalty. So both company and officer both are liable. We have case laws where even ROC considered maximum penalty for 3 lakh. So Samsung R&D Institute of India, Samsung R&D Institute India, fined for delayed MSME. It was delayed 266. Another firm delayed 85 days. Penalty imposed despite of no late fee. So penalty, we have to take care. The common scenarios, filing requirements. See payment after 45 days, but paid before 31st March or before 30th September, still form required to be filed. Even payment is done, form required to be filed because details we have to enter in the Excel sheet, which is attached to the form, which needs to be uploaded. So payment pending within 45 days also needs to be filed. Another scenario, payment made within 45 days, yes. Dealing only with medium enterprises, no, not required to file. Company itself is an MSME by acting by as a buyer, yes, still needs to be filed. So the practical tips: maintain vendor list with MSME registration certificate. Because you need to have a data who is MSME registered vendor. Then track invoice date and accept the acceptance date or invoice date. So carefully you have to note them. Then use ERP to monitor aging, 45 days aging. File even. It is better if you have any doubt, it's better file if unsure to avoid penalties. Because there may be a confusion if you have anything, whether it is micro, small, medium, it's better to file it. Keep supporting documents readily in case ROC notice. Keep all the backup data. So the conclusion key takeaways are MSME Form 1 promotes transparency and prompt payment. Compliance is simple, but evolving form versions are causing confusion. Stay updated with the MCA notifications. Penalties are there, even though there is no fee for form. When is a doubt, better consult company secretary for any legal help. Thank you. If you found this video helpful, please do subscribe RR Corporates, another channel, RR Legal Talks. Thank you.